Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Mode in Hello Neighbor. This special mode lets you fly around and even pass right through walls and other objects in the game. It's mainly a feature for the PC version, offering a really unique way to explore the game's world and uncover hidden areas. It's a fantastic tool for curious players. Activating Ghost Mode is quite straightforward. First, make sure your keyboard language is set to English, which helps with console access. Next, you'll need to open the in-game console by pressing the tilde key, usually found right below the escape button. Once the console is open, simply type the word Ghost and hit Enter to activate this exciting mode. Once Ghost Mode is active, you gain incredible freedom. You can fly anywhere, effortlessly passing through walls, floors, and even ceilings. This ability lets you explore every nook and cranny of the neighbor's house, uncovering secrets and areas you couldn't reach otherwise. However, remember that the neighbor can sometimes still spot you, so a little caution is always a good idea. When you're ready to return to normal gameplay, simply open the console again and type Walk, then press Enter. Ghost Mode is perfect for finding hidden items, understanding complex level designs, or just enjoying a bird's-eye view of the house. Don't hesitate to experiment with flying high and low to discover all the game's secrets from a fresh perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.